This QR code looks like a shark took a bite out of it. Let's scan it anyway. And it works. Oh, come on. I worked hard on that hole. So, I gave the shark one more bite. The gap only grew by one tiny square on each side. And on my phone, that's where it stopped. My phone just sat there, confused, like it was trying to finish a puzzle with too many pieces missing, which is fair, I guess. But here's the part that actually got me. I tried a totally different kind of damage, way smaller, barely a scratch, just in a different spot, and that killed it too. Even smaller than the hole that worked. So it's not just about how much you destroy, it's about where. See those three big squares chilling in the corners? They're like little lighthouses for your phone. They help it find the code and work out which way it's facing. Your link isn't stored in them. Elsewhere in the grid, the code has another trick. It's like a puzzle with a few missing pieces. Except this one comes with extra clues to help fill in the gaps. That's how the first code survived the bite. There was still enough information left to rebuild what was missing, but make the hole bigger, and eventually, the damage becomes too much. That's what happened when the shark took one more bite. Damage one of those lighthouses in the corners, and your phone might not even recognize it as a QR code. One small mark in the wrong place, and my phone couldn't read it at all. No scan, no link. And this isn't just a party trick. Out in the real world, QR codes get scratched, dirty, creased, or shown on cracked screens. Sometimes a pigeon takes one look at it and decides to aim. Luckily, QR codes are built to survive a rough day. And that's why you've probably seen a QR code with a logo right in the middle, like this one. The logo is covering part of the code on purpose. But keep it small, place it carefully, and the code may still have enough clues to fill in the gap. Make it too big though, and even the code gives up. And QR codes aren't the only ones doing this. The same basic trick helps a scratched CD keep playing, and helps messages from space reach home in one piece. So next time a beat-up QR code still works, you'll know it didn't get lucky, it came prepared. If this made your brain go, oh, that makes sense, leave a like and consider subscribing. I'll be back with another weird question soon, unless the shark eats that too. Thanks, bye!